quick look at how to use fx equation in OneNote on a Windows machine. OneNote has the ability to insert an equation, but the system is a little bit clunky and people find it slow, so people have asked us how to use fx equation with OneNote. Unfortunately, OneNote does not and has never provided us with the opportunity to add to their toolbar and automate the process completely, but it does offer us the opportunity to provide you with some assistance in creating equations. To do that, you have to make sure that you've got your OneNote open and fx equations also open on your screen, and we need the first time to tell fx equation what you're targeting. So in this case we're targeting OneNote. That's set up, you shouldn't have to do that again. To add an equation, all you need to do is type your equation, and once you've completed it, click on the green check mark, which will place that equation onto your clipboard in a very special format. The format is exactly the same as a normal OneNote equation. So when I paste that into my OneNote page, what I've actually pasted in isn't anything to do with the fx equation anymore. It's just an equation, just as if you created it from inside OneNote. That means that it's a one-way process. You create the equation in fx equation and you paste it into OneNote. If you wish to edit the equation, you can do that inside OneNote by using exactly the same tools as you would if you were using OneNote's built-in system. Probably the biggest restriction with using the system is that the equations are rendered by OneNote, not by fx equation, so you have relatively little control over how they look. If I want another equation for this spot, again I go back to fx equation, push the plus sign to create a new equation, and create my new equation. And again, click on the green check mark, return to OneNote and paste what I'm doing in, and it will come through as a OneNote equation. So that's how to use fx equation in OneNote on a Windows machine.